I've got the Volantex Ranger 4-channel version out here this morning, and I've made an elevator adjustment, and I want to see if that will give a better loop authority than it had before. So, all right, I've got my timer set for 7 minutes. I've got it in fully stabilized mode. Let's launch it. Okay, so I don't know about my elevator trim yet. Looks okay. Alright, so let's come back through here. I want to put it into manual mode. Get it pointed into the wind. Okay, we should be in full manual mode now. Oh, looky there. Oh, I think that gave us better loop authority. Awesome. It will really perform loops now. Alright, let's descend a little bit. Check that out. Well, I think it could do that all day. Okay, so before I bring it back out again, I think I'm going to go ahead and make an adjustment on the aileron linkage to see if I can get a better roll rate, because right now we have a really slow roll rate. you know I'm gonna be performing loops all the time now. That's cool. Looks like I need to trim my elevator down a little bit in manual mode. But isn't that, I mean, I've got a bit of a breeze out here. Isn't that nice and stable in full manual mode? Absolutely. What a fantastic little plane. This is by far my absolute favorite beginner plane. In fully stabilized mode, it is so docile and so easy. I lost orientation there. It is so docile and so easy to fly in fully stabilized mode. The easiest to fly plane that I have flown so far. It's just awesome. And as you can see, even out here in a bit of a breeze, I'd say we got 3 to 5 right now, maybe gusting to 6 or 7. But it's still in absolute full manual mode here, and it is very, very stable in full manual mode. I'll show you that once I'm crashing. Let's slow it down here in full manual mode and see what it does. What do you think of that? Going downwind. Speed up a little bit going downwind. Awesome in full manual mode, isn't it? Just gave it a rudder turn there. Wind is picking up. Look at that. Look at that. That is just awesome. If you guys don't have one of these yet, oh man, you need to get one. And they're dirt cheap. There'll be a link to it in the show notes. Full manual mode. That is just awesome. Just absolutely awesome. Look at that. What a blast of a plane. Volantex really just got almost all the boxes checked on this. I mean, as far as a beginner plane, it has all the boxes checked. Only thing I've had to do so far to get those nice loops out of it is just change the elevator linkage. And I'm hoping that once I change the linkage on the ailerons, or I know it's going to have a much better roll rate than it has now. Hopefully it'll be as good as the loops. Well, look how docile that is, even in full manual mode. so less than 70 grams all up weight in full manual mode and some wind. That's absolutely fantastic. Alright, let's put it back into fully stabilized mode. There's my timer. Bring it in for a landing. What a tremendous beginner plane. Absolutely fantastic. Is that awesome, or is that awesome? Man, I love this plane. This is such an awesome plane. Alright, I can't recommend it enough. You know, I don't have anything negative to say about it. Everything is positive. I mean, it is an absolute blast to fly. The best beginner plane I've ever had in the air to date, and I've had a lot of them in the air. It's dirt cheap for it being the absolute best beginner plane that I've ever flown. It is absolutely dirt cheap. It's a steal for what they're selling it for. So, links to it in the show notes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.